Parents pile their children and animals into boats, fleeing fighting in Rakhine State. They cross the Yochang Creek and build a makeshift camp away from the bullets. There was heavy fighting between a Buddhist rebel group and Myanmar's security forces nearby on Friday. The UN estimates 2,500 people fled similar violence in December. That number is now expected to be much higher. The rebel group is the Rakhine Army, whose members say they're fighting for greater autonomy for Rakhine's Buddhist population. They posted this video to mark their 9th anniversary last year. Since November, they've increased their attacks. On Facebook, they posted these photos of ammunition, as well as police and civilians captured in Friday's raid. They were later released. Myanmar's Ministry of Information confirmed the latest pre-dawn attack on 4 police outposts near the Bangladeshi border. The government responded, "This is a carefully planned, premeditated attack to harm the lives and property of the people and to further aggravate the instability in Rakhine State. It is learned that the security forces will take effective, offensive actions to crush the terrorist attacks of the Rakhine Army." The fighting is bad news for the Muslim Rohingya. 700,000 were driven from Rakhine State across the border into Bangladesh during a military crackdown that began in 2017. It's estimated thousands were killed during the exodus. The increased fighting, now another reason why they cannot return. The military announced a 4-month ceasefire against other rebel groups in North and East Myanmar in December, but Rakhine State was excluded. The Rakhine Army says the military is using the truce to double down in Rakhine.
It's a source of almost embarrassment, if you will, that they would have been hit not only several times by the Rohingya supposedly related armed groups, but now by an erstwhile sort of silent or latent Rakhine army that's been waiting for its chance. And so, yes, I would expect to see, unfortunately, a far heavier hand being brought to bear in Rakhine State than we've seen in recent years.
So these people must fashion together their future using bamboo and string and whatever their backs can bear. A life of displacement and survival becoming the norm for those born in Myanmar's Rakhine State. Charlotte Bellis, Al Jazeera.